Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to visualize highest metrics for each category in your data. So first I will show my data here, sales data, which contains 10 lakh rows. So here you find region, country, item type and different columns are there, unit sold, unit price, unit cost, okay, total cost, total revenue, total profit. So I loaded this data into Power BI. So using Power BI visualization tools, I want to know highest total cost for item type and highest profit item type and highest total revenue. Okay, I want to know these three metrics. Okay, so first I'm dragging table. So table is like a similar SQL table. So you can drag the columns what you want. So here I want to use the item type as one of the column, focus mode. Okay, these are the items, 13 items are there. Okay, 13 distinct items. So now I am dragging one more column, total cost. Okay, this is the total cost and total profit and total revenue. Okay, these are the items for 13 items. These are the total cost and total revenue like this. So I want to know, so which item type is highest total cost? If you want to know, you can just click on this one. So you can see office supplies is the highest sum of total cost item type. So I want to know the which item type as total profit. Again, you can just click this one. Okay, you can see cosmetics is the item type where you get the highest total profit. Now total revenue, for which item type we got the total revenue? Household. Household is the total revenue. So if you want to get the number, if you want to get the item type highest for each category, you can click on this item and so that you will get the respective only know the total cost, just to click the total cost. So you will get office supplies with the total cost. Again, this will be disordered. Okay. Again, you want to note the total profit or total revenue. Just you have to mention respective column to know what is the highest item type. Okay. So you can use this button to know highest of each category. So apart from that, we can also one more visualization tool, card. So card is one of the visualization tool where you can specifically visualize the metrics of each category. Okay. Now I am using this card. Whenever you click the card, you get the fields like this. Okay. So here I want to drag the item type in the fields. So obviously alphabetically it will get baby food will come the first because alphabetically it start from A to Z. So baby food is the first item. Okay. Now I want to set the border border for this card. So here go to general and expand this effects. So here you can see visual border. By default it is showing off. I am taking it on so that you will get border like this. Okay. So this is about the card. Now I want to know, as I mentioned earlier, total cost, profit and revenue. So I want to know total cost of the item type. So for that I am using filters. So I am using the filters is the one of the fields in the visualization tool. You can see fields, filters, visualization data. So here I am using the filters. Okay, filters to get the total cost. So here you can see filters on this visual like this. So I am taking this total cost to add fields. So here you will get advanced filtering, basic filtering like this. So I want to know top one because we want to know highest category type, highest item type in total cost. Top one. I want to know top one. Again, I am dragging total cost in and apply filter. You can see office supplies is the highest category. Okay. Now I am taking one more card. I am taking one more card here. Just keep aside like this. So here I am, as usual, I am taking item type as the field. Okay. So now here I want to know total of profit. Okay. In the visualization. So first I will set the borders for this. Go to this one. General. Expand the effects and visualization border on. Okay. Visualization is happened. Now what I am trying to do is I want to know item type of total profit for which item type the company got the total highest profit. Okay, for this I am dragging this one into. Now here you have to select top n first row. Okay, top n first row. Again I am taking total profit. So advanced filtering, I am taking top n. I want to get the highest profit. I want to know highest profit for which item type got the highest profit. I am using total profit one more time in the add fields here and apply filter. You can see cosmetics. So cosmetics is the highest total profit among the item types. Okay. Now I am using one more card for total revenue. So this card I am using for total revenue. So first, as usual, drag the item type here and here. So total revenue, I am dragging this total revenue into first. So here filter type, you expand the filter type and take the top n and type one. So that which item type got the highest revenue and drag the total revenue one more time in the value and apply filter. Now you can see household. So you can see here three cards and three metrics. So all these are top. But here in the visualization we don't know specific. Everything is showing different types of item types. But here in the down you can see first item type, first item type, first item type. So you want to specifically, if you want to know by seeing the card which matrix this office suppliers is the highest. For that you can use the just. So this is for total cost. So here I am on the fields. You can expand this field and here rename the visual. Rename the visual. So here you can write your custom information. Okay. So here highest cost. I am telling highest cost here. Okay. Now see here highest cost. Okay. Like that cosmetics. Cosmetics is for total sum of total profit. So here and rename the cosmetics and highest profit. So you can see highest profit and like that household I didn't create any borders for this. General effects, so visual border on. Okay, now you can see border here. Now I want to add the information. So information here is total revenue. So household item type is the getting highest total revenue among the other data types. So for that I'm just expand this one and rename the field as highest revenue. Now it will change to highest revenue. Now you can see some, when you see the three cards, so you can easily identify it. Office suppliers is the item type where you got the highest cost. Cosmetics is another item type where you got highest profit, and household is the other item type where you got the highest revenue. So by presenting this card visualization tool, you can easily visualize, you can clearly, you can identify your metrics based on your category. I hope this video